Your question or your word is all about love problem.
Bilang isang part of LGBT na bata, marami po akong problema sa buhay, lalo-lalo na po sa aking pamilya. Dahil ang mga problema po ito ay gawa sa pagkakahiwa-hiwalay ng aking mga magulang. Dahil naniniwala po ako na ang problema ay malalampasan. Kaya nandito po ako sa inyong harapan upang ipakita kung sino ako at patuloy lumalaban. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. With illness.
Tonight, we all are gathered here not just to celebrate beauty and diversity, but indeed, this is an awareness for the suicide thing here in Batabalani. Now, the word that I have picked is with illness. I believe that illness is one of the major factors why there are suicide cases, not only in Batabalani, but around the world. But if we will be going to help and unite one another and help for a progressive healthcare system here in the Philippines, then definitely we will come up to a more progressive community, all for humanity. That would be all, and I thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Was actually mind.
Thank you. The word that I picked is mind. For me, ladies and gentlemen, mind, it is the ability to recover from a difficult situation. A simple word as it may seem, but stands as the bragging rights of the fittest who survive. This is a quality that is quiet, evident to all Filipinos. We stand in every fall. We stand strong and tall. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. It's evil.
Ladies and gentlemen, evil is something that is our facing today. One problem that we're facing today. Sa lahat ng mga taong nakakaranas ng problema at kakaisip ng pagsubok, huwag po natin hayaan na ang demonyo ay kumiliti sa atin at kulutin tayo at bigyan tayo ng pagkakataong gumawa ng masama. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit may mga tao at kabataan ngayon na nagpapakamatay at pilit na kinikitin ang kanilang mga buhay dahil sa perwisyo ng demonyo. Hayaan po natin, ibalik natin ang ating pananampalataya sa Diyos na kung saan itinuro sa atin ng mga magulang. Alisin ang demonyo at manampalataya sa taas. Yun ang pinakamabisang gamot sa problema. Magandang gabi po.
Thank you so much. Okay. That word is jobless.
Thank you. The word that I picked is jobless. As an advocate for positivity, I always believe that our future is always bright. Yes, indeed, life sometimes is steep and rigorous. And one of this is having a jobless in our life. But let us always remember to be positive and always be a fighter in our own selves. Because who knows, one day we will be successful in life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Your word is all about depression or depression.
Depressed. Ang depressed po ay nagagaling sa problema katulad ng aming pamilya na ang aking i-relate ko po na madaming utang si mama kaya
Your cousin knows something. A government employee.
As part of the LGBT community, we really suffer from jobless things or jobless situation in our life. And as being a government employee, we also face
suicidal thoughts or suicidal attempts when it comes to the government or being affected by the issues such as current issues and current events that our society is facing nowadays with regards to corruption. I believe, my dear friends, that we must always take good care of our health, our well-being, and especially the society, because we cannot give what we don't have, and that is love, respect, and care for everyone. Because let us always remember that as we have to choose to be happy, and let us stand against suicide, regards to jobless people. Thank you.
Okay, next we have the alcohol abuse.
Good evening, everyone. Alcohol abuse. Alcohol abuse ay isang sobrang katulad ng sobrang ating pag-iinom dahil doon nagkakasakit or may mga magkakasakit ka dahil sa sobrang pag-iinom mo ng alcohol. Kaya dapat ang ating mga ang alcohol ay hindi laging iniinom dahil ito ay nakakasama sa atin. Dapat mo iinom tayo may limit lang at hindi araw-araw dahil doon tayo maliligtas.
Thank you so much. Okay. Your word was actually the suicidal thoughts.
Thank you so much. Let me answer that question directly. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that this pageant created is because we want to spread awareness, and the words that I pick as suicidal thoughts. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that for those people who are experiencing bad situation right now, this is only a challenge for us. But then again, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to call someone in order for you to be understand, to be having someone. And ladies and gentlemen, just like my talent, don't forget to call your family, because at the end of the day, family will always have you and accept you and understand for what situation you have in this world. Thank you.